guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to buy cryptocurrencies on our platform using fiat money. So let's roll! SimpleSwap customers can not only exchange cryptocurrencies, but also purchase them with Visa and MasterCard. Our platform offers such popular currencies as the British pound, US dollar, euro, Turkish lira, Russian ruble, and Ukrainian hryvnia to purchase crypto. And there are more to come. So, are you ready to get some crypto coins? Let's start! First, select the fiat currency that you would like to pay with in the You Send section using the drop-down list. You will see the most popular fiat currencies at the top of the list, but you can also find the other ones using the search bar. In this example, we will choose the US dollar. Next, enter the amount you would like to spend. Now select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy in the You Get section. You can also use the search bar. In this example, we will show you how to purchase Bitcoin. After that, you will see the estimated amount of BTC you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. Then you need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Please note that there are different address types for each cryptocurrency. Be careful, don't forget to check that you use the correct address. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the exchange button. All fiat operations are carried out with the help of our partner, Mercurio. To continue and make a purchase, you need to read thoughtfully and agree with the terms of service and privacy policy provided by SimpleSwap and our partner. Click the Go to the Exchange page button to move to the next step. Here you will be redirected to the page operated by our partner to continue the exchange process. Buying crypto with fiat for the first time, you need to enter the data requested by Mercurio to verify your identity. Once the necessary information is provided and confirmed, you are able to purchase cryptocurrency with bank cards easily and don't need to go through this procedure again. Click the Buy button to continue the exchange. First of all, confirm a phone number. You will receive a confirmation code to continue. Then enter your email address. The system will also send you a confirmation code to the specified address so you can move further. Next, enter your personal data as it appears on your passport or ID. Choose the payment method. Please note that you won't be charged until you pass KYC. In this example, we will choose a bank card. Enter your card details and a received confirmation code to proceed next. After that, the system will send you an email that your payment was submitted. During the next steps, you will need to verify your identity. Choose your country and document type. Then upload the chosen document to the system. Next, take a selfie with the document in hand. The document must be the same as you uploaded before. After that, the purchase process will be started and you will see information about it on the screen. You will also receive an email after successful KYC verification. When your transaction will be completed, you will see the status as finished. That's it, your purchase is completed. See how simple it is. In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using email, which you can find under this video. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.